Well, hi, y'all. We're Ron and Deborah Wolf of the Wolfpack at Remax in Morristown. And Deborah, we are in beautiful Mallard Bay today in Granger County, a lake community.
Right. Mallard Bay is right on waterfront, main channel, most of it. And it's just quiet and peaceful over here. Great place to live.
Well,
and we're going to show you a couple of houses, but especially one in just a couple of minutes.
Yeah. And what are we going to talk to our folks about today?
Well, remember the article we read this week? It was on a very popular real estate site called Trulia.
Yeah.
And the title was Why Buyers Fail to Buy Their Dream Home.
Yeah.
And they made some good points. And actually, with the points that they made, two of them are points that we see on a regular basis. It's where something national actually applies to right here.
Yeah.
You want to tell them about the sellers?
Yeah, from a seller standpoint, we've had sellers come up to us and say, golly, you know, our house has been on the market a while. Our neighbor's house down the street has sold. Why has our house not sold?
So why hasn't it sold?
Well, the primary reason is a matter of price, and that has to be done well. Now, the house may be beautiful, it may be all together, but you know, the bottom line is, in the old way of saying it, you know, your house will only sell for what someone is willing to pay for it.
That is true. It's true in everything,
almost,
and certainly true with houses. What else? Was there any other comment that you can recall?
Well, it's curb appeal, you know, curb appeal,
That's true.
and whether the house is ready to go or not. You know, a lot of people ask us, well, maybe I shouldn't paint. Yeah, my daughter's bedroom is electric orange, but
hey, it's okay here in East Tennessee.
Yeah, but maybe I shouldn't paint. Everybody will want to paint when they buy it. Well, we believe in getting it show ready because people want to come in, move in, and sit down and go to living.
The fact is that to sell it and to get the most you can for it that a buyer's willing to pay, it pretty much has to be priced right and it has to be move-in ready. Buyers want something that all they have to do is move in their things and sit down.
Absolutely.
If yours needs updating, if it needs work, then you're going to have to reduce the price to entice them to do that work themselves and get them to buy it. Now, there was also a part about buyers. I love a sale as much as anyone. 50% off, and I am interested in seeing what's available. Better than that, I can move pretty quickly for someone my age, but the price is very important, and everybody likes sales. The fact is, though, you're not going to get a sale on a house at 50% off the way you're going to get a sale on a pair of shoes.
Hey.
That's right. They don't knock houses down like that. Now, we have sold 2 or 3 houses that were probably close to 50% off. We call them a fire sale, but they were greatly distressed houses. That meant someone was going to have to go in and put anywhere from $30,000 to $100,000 into it, depending on the house, to get it up to par. And if you want your move-in ready house, don't insult them by making a discounted offer of 25%. That's probably going to insult them. So get a little closer. In 2012, 2011, most houses sold within 5 to 10% off the list price.
That's a good point. Now tell us about this move-in ready house we're at today.
I love this house because, number one, it sits in a perfect spot at the end of a cul-de-sac. It sits just a little bit on a knoll. And there is a beautiful mountain view all the way around.
And lake view.
Well, on one side you have somewhat of a lake view also. You don't have to stand on one foot and squint your eye to see it. There really is a slight lake view. But inside, all one level living, a wonderful, large 2-car garage, the laundry, the kitchen, an open kitchen dining area that's quite large for whatever number you are feeding. There is a master suite and a separate office just off this kitchen and dining area. On the other side of the kitchen and dining area are 2 bedrooms, another full bath, and then from the family room that is beside the kitchen, if there are French doors, and you go into a large, comfortable den. And from the den, you can go outside to an open deck. It is an absolutely fantastic floor plan, and it's one I think you'd like.
Well, you know, we also have a home that we listed right next door.
We have one listed right next
So
door.
bring your friend.
It is considerably larger. The house where we're in front of, 2,500 square feet.
Yeah.
Very manageable.
Yeah.
And the other house is almost 4,000 square feet. But it has 2 additional lots with it. So it has huge yard behind, beside, and that is a great house.
Well, Deborah, we would like to thank everybody for being with us today. And we have sold another one, so let's go put that
We've
sold
sold
sign
more than
up.
one. Which one do you want to go to?
It doesn't matter.
All right.